So as I was doing my morning walk through the garden, as I always do every morning, just enjoying all the life growing, the birds chirping and everything just really glorious in the morning sun, I look down and what do I see? Vomit in my garden. Now, if you've never seen vomit like this before in your garden, it can be very alarming and frankly very disgusting. I first came across this last season, and at the same time there was a neighbor cat that kept coming into my garden. I naturally assumed that he was throwing up in my bed and was very angry and would chase him out every time he came into my garden. Now, since the cat hadn't been around this season, I decided to try and find out what this actually really was, because I didn't at this point think it was the cat doing it. So I just scanned it out of curiosity with this new app that I downloaded called iNaturalist. And it told me that this was called dog vomit slime mold. But it's very common among mulch during very warm, damp seasons. And we've had a lot of rain lately, so now they seem to be popping up everywhere. And though it's not harmful to human or pets or animals, I don't want to see it in my garden. But apparently under the surface of this vomit, there are black spores that when disturbed, they can spread very easily. So the best thing to do to get rid of them is to wait until they get a little bit more mature and then shove them out easily and just kind of scoop them up. And once they're mature, they get kind of solid and come up in one big slab. So if you've never seen this before, wondering what it is, like I was, it's a normal occurrence in mulch. Upon further research, I also found out to prevent this from occurring again, it's best to break and aerate your mulch just to get air through it so it doesn't get damp, so it prevents the growth of this mold. I hope this helps someone out there who may have discovered such a thing in their garden like I did and was kind of alarmed by it.